Good evening students. Today I am going to discuss about the human male reproductive system. See, now coming to the topic, already some information given in previous class. Today I am going to start the human male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system. See, already you know very well, the human male reproductive system consists of majorly three parts. What are they? Testes, accessory ducts and accessory glands. So how they are arranged in the reproductive system. Now I am going to draw the diagram of human male reproductive system. See, what are the parts are present in the male reproductive system and how they are arranged and their function, everything I will discuss in this video. This is the structure of the male reproductive system. See what kind of parts are present in the male reproductive system. See this arrangement, this oval shaped arrangements are called testes. Single is called testis. Both are we are called as a plural is testes. Okay, a pair of testes are present here, and also already you know very well inside of the testis consists of some lobules are present here. So what is the name of these lobules? Testicular lobules. Testicular lobules. Already I discussed compartments or lobules. How many? Each testis having around 250 testicular lobules are present. Okay, the sperms which are released from the seminiferous tubule. See, this is inside of the testis consists of lobule consists of seminiferous tubule. Then from the seminiferous tubules, the sperms are released into the tubular recti. One tube is each seminiferous tubule. See, this is called seminiferous tubule. So each seminiferous tubule, it forms one tube. The tube is called what? Tubular recti. And a network of arrangement is called rete testis. So the sperms are released into the tubular recti. After that rete testis. Then after that it will be reaches into one more tube here, like this. Number of tubes here. These tubes are called vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia. So, and from the vasa efferentia into, it will reaches into the one highly coiled arrangement. This highly coiled arrangement is called epididymis. Epididymis. So now coming to the epididymis. What is epididymis and what is its function? See, epididymis is a highly coiled tube-like structure which is present in the human male reproductive system. Okay, what is its function means, commonly once the sperm cell enters into the epididymis, the sperm maturation will occur here. Sperm maturation. So the sperm maturation occurs in the epididymis, and also sperm motility. Sperm motility is also takes place in the epididymis, and also one more function, the sperms are stores or partially stores in epididymis. Okay, these are all functions of the epididymis. Okay, once the sperms, for suppose the sperms are not ejaculated from the epididymis, they are die in the epididymis. So without so there is no ejaculation. No ejaculation occurs in the epididymis, the sperm cells start to degenerate or it dies in the epididymis. So these are all functions of the epididymis. Okay, once ejaculation will start, the sperms are released into this highly coiled structure. This highly coiled structure is called epididymis. From the epididymis, it opens into one long tube-like arrangement. This long tube-like arrangement is called vas deferens. Vas deferens. So the sperm cells are reaches into the vas deferens. Then this vas deferens it continues, which is enters into the urinary bladder. This bag like arrangement is called what? Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. So, and which is the vas deferens which is enters into the inside of the urinary bladder, it jump on the two tube-like arrangement. These tube-like arrangements are called ureters. Okay, so the vas deferens it continues and it jump among the ureters which is inserted into the urinary bladder. Then here what will happen means, here one tube-like arrangement is also present here. This tube-like arrangement is called, see, here ejaculatory duct is present. So these ejaculatory duct, see, the both vas deferens it opens into one duct-like arrangement here. This duct-like arrangement is called ejaculatory ducts. See, remember here a pair of glands are present in this place. These pair of glands are called seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. So how many seminal vesicles are present here? One pair of seminal vesicles are present. So these seminal vesicles are the male reproductive glands. Male reproductive glands. How they are arranged? See, simply this is the urethra and here one tube is continuous here. This tube is called ejaculatory duct. So the vas deferens and also seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles and vas deferens both are opens into the ejaculatory duct. Remember, see, the seminal vesicle tube and also the vas deferens tube both are inserted into one tube. This tube is called ejaculatory duct. So here both seminal vesicles and both vas deferens both are opens into one tube. That tube is called what? Ejaculatory duct. See what will happen here. So the vas deferens it release the sperm cells into the ejaculatory duct. At the same time, the seminal vesicles it release their secretions into the ejaculatory duct. So both seminal vesicle secretions and sperm cells both are released into the ejaculatory duct. And this ejaculatory duct which is opens into the a long tube-like arrangement. This long tube-like arrangement is called urethra. See, this is a long tube-like arrangement which is coming from the ejaculatory duct. This long tube-like arrangement is called what? Urethra. This is called urethra. So this urethra it will continues and finally it will opens as a one opening. It consists of one opening here. This is called urethral meatus. Urethral meatus. Okay, the seminal vesicles, it secretes the fructose here. One important sugar it releases, that is called what? Fructose. So the fructose is a nutrition for the sperm cells. See here, seminal vesicles release fructose into the ejaculatory duct. At the same time, the sperms are released. The sperm cells get nutrition from the fructose. So this fructose is released by the seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles are the male reproductive glands. So below this seminal vesicles, here one gland is also present. This gland is called prostate gland. Prostate gland. So here one only present. How many prostate glands are present in human male reproductive system? Only one prostate gland. Remember, seminal vesicles are 2. Prostate gland is 1. So the prostate gland is also, it release some secretions into the urethra. So what are the secretions it release means? Majorly calcium and phosphate ions. Calcium and phosphate ions are released from the prostate gland, and also it is responsible for the color of the semen. Color of the semen. What is semen means? Here 3 glands are present in the male reproductive system. Pair of seminal vesicles, 1 prostate gland, pair of bulbourethral glands. These 3 glands, they release some secretions. These all secretions together we are called as a semen. Okay, the prostate gland is responsible for to giving the color to the semen, white color, and also it also gives smell to the semen. So the semen, it get a smell from the prostate gland. So these are all prostate gland functions. What are the prostate gland release the calcium and phosphate ions, and also it is responsible for to give color to the semen and also smell to the semen. So these are all functions of the prostate gland, and also it also responsible for the pH of the semen as a alkaline in nature. The alkaline nature, it will provide by the prostate gland to the semen. Okay, what is the importance of fructose here? The fructose is a nutrition for the sperm cell. Okay, once the sperm cells reaches into the urethra and it will pass into the downwards. When it reaches into the near the bulbourethral glands, see a pair of bulbourethral glands. Bulbourethral glands are present here. So what is the role of bulbourethral glands means? They release mucus into the urethra. They release mucus into the urethra. Then this mucus is get mixed with the sperm cells. So it provide the lubrication to the sperm cells. Lubrication to sperm cells. So this is the function of the bulbourethral glands. Okay, after that it will be passed into the urethra and finally from urethra into urethral meatus and urethral meatus into outside. And also you have to remember one thing, in this region, this portion of the male reproductive system we are called as a penis. So this penis we are see here somewhat difference we are notice here, not same like this, some changes, some of the arrangement is look like different. See like this arrangement we are noticed here. See, the skin is attached from this area to this area, and this is called shaft. So the skin is attached to the penis from here to here. So this area of the male reproductive system is called shaft. After that, the skin is not attached to the remaining part of the male reproductive system. So here the skin is not attached here. So the skin is loosely arranged here. So this portion of the male reproductive system is called glans penis. Glans penis. Okay, then finally this end of the urethra, it opens as a urethral meatus. So this is the arrangement of the male reproductive system. And also here when we observe the penis consists of, when we are taking the cross section of the TS of the penis. So some of the important arrangements are seen in the TS of penis. So what kind of arrangements are present in a TS of penis? Now I will draw. So TS of penis. TS of penis. Penis means see here this portion of the male reproductive system which is present sides of the urethra. This is called penis. When we cut the penis, what kind of arrangement we are noticed here? This is the TS of penis. See here two types of arrangements are present. See, this is the TS of penis. When we observe the TS of penis, so these two arrangements we are called corpora cavernosa. Corpora cavernosa. Remember. So what is these two portions means corpora cavernosa. So below the corpora cavernosa, one more arrangement is present here. This is called corpora spongiosum. Corpora spongiosum. See, when we cut the penis, here two types of arrangement present. One is called corpora cavernosa and second one is called corpora spongiosum. So the inside of the corpora spongiosum, the urethral opening is there. This one tube is inserted into this. This tube is called urethra. Remember. So from the urethra, the urine as well as sperm cells. In human male reproductive system, the urine and sperms both are passing through the urethra. Urethra into urethral meatus and urethral meatus into outside. So this is the information about the human male reproductive system. So then we are going to the female reproductive system in the next class. Okay students, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Biocent, and share my videos to your friends and relatives. Then we will meet tomorrow. Thank you.